Welcome to the Inside Scoop, the podcast that takes you behind the scenes of surgical technology. I'm Zakira Haynes, and today we're diving into a costly issue many hospitals face: the repair and maintenance of flexible endoscopes. Flexible endoscopes are slender, bendable instruments equipped with a light and camera that allow doctors to see inside a patient's body without making large incisions. They are widely used in both diagnostic procedures like identifying abnormalities in the gastro tract and therapeutic procedures such as removing or taking tissue samples. However, these delicate devices are expensive to maintain. Repairs for flexible endoscopes can cost hospitals thousands of dollars per incident. Frequent repairs not only increase expenses but also cause delays in patient care, as damaged scopes may be unavailable when needed for important procedures. Endoscope repairs costs are notoriously high for several reasons. First, flexible endoscopes contain delicate internal components, tiny cameras, fiber optics, and indirect channels, all which are expensive to replace or repair. Second, a significant amount of damage happens during handling and reprocessing. Because these scopes must be carefully cleaned and disinfected after each use. Any mishandling, improper leak testing, or rough cleaning can cause damage that leads to costly repairs. Third, many healthcare facilities struggle with a lack of standardized training for the staff responsible for reprocessing endoscopes. Without consistent proper training, the risk of accidental damage rises. To put this into perspective, a study published in the American Journal of Infection Control found that up to 20% of flexible endoscopes damage is actually preventable with better practices. And when damage